In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find RSI on Thinkorswim. By the end, you'll know exactly where to access the relative strength index, how to add it to your chart, and how to fine-tune the settings so it fits your trading style. First, open Thinkorswim desktop and head to the Charts tab. This is where you'll do all of your technical analysis. In the symbol field, load the ticker you want to analyze. This can be a stock, an index, or a futures contract. Just type the symbol and press Enter. The RSI will reflect whatever time frame and symbol you're viewing, so choose the chart view you typically use for your analysis to keep things consistent. Next, let's add the RSI indicator. At the top of the chart, click the Studies button, the one with the flask icon. From the drop-down, choose Add Study. A window will open with a search field. Type RSI, and from the results, select RSI, which stands for Relative Strength Index. Double-click it, or click Add to place it on your chart. You'll see a new pane appear beneath the price chart showing the RSI line. This oscillator ranges from 0 to 100 and helps you gauge momentum. It's a quick way to spot potential overbought or oversold conditions at a glance. Now, let's customize it so it's easier to read and matches your preferences. In the RSI pane, click the small gear icon to open its settings. Here you can adjust the length or period. The default is usually 14, which is a balanced setting many traders use. Shorter lengths will make the RSI more sensitive to price changes, while longer lengths smooth out the noise. You can also change the overbought and oversold levels. The common settings are 70 for overbought and 30 for oversold, which are useful reference points for potential exhaustion in a move. If you prefer a more conservative view, you can keep those defaults. Finally, personalize the colors and line styles to improve visibility against your chart background. Clear contrast helps you spot signals quickly during fast markets. When you're happy with the setup, click OK to save your changes. Your RSI is now active and customized on the chart you're viewing. From here, you can continue your analysis by watching how the RSI behaves relative to price swings, remembering that it's most powerful when used alongside your broader strategy. That's all there is to it. Open your chart, add RSI from the Studies menu, and fine-tune it with the gear icon before saving. Follow these steps anytime you load a new symbol, and you'll be ready to read momentum with confidence.